first question from tissue chapter, that is what is tissue? Anyone, what is tissue? Group of cells which have similar and specific functions over a part of body. Yes, a cluster of cells perform a specific function. Yes, cluster of similar cells, Uttam, okay, not different types of the cells. Group of cells that are similar in structure and work together to achieve a particular function. Yes, thank you everyone. Types of meristematic tissue. How many types of meristematic tissue are there? Types of meristematic tissue. How many types of meristematic tissue are there? And tell me the name also, not 2 types, 3 types or anything else, okay, and name the types and name the tissue of the cells. In which part of the plants you can find the apical meristem? Where does you can find the apical meristem tissue in plants? Which parts of the plants contain apical meristem? Which parts of the plant contain apical meristem? Not in birds, that is the growing part of the root and stem. Birds also okay. Stem. Where does you can find the intercalary meristem? Where does you can find the intercalary meristem? Middle means? Where does you can find, that one is wrong, not in first one, that was not, I don't know in which middle, or me, plants or anything else. Second one, not in the middle. Where does you can find the apical intercalary meristem? Nodes and internodes, yes. What is the function of the lateral meristem or cambium? What is the function of lateral meristem or cambium? What is the function of lateral meristem or cambium? To increase the length of root. No. No, Tom, what is the function of lateral meristem or cambium? To increase the length of root. Yes, sorry, the stem and root increases due to the, not length, breadth means width part, not longitudinal, horizontal part, okay? Increasing the root in breadth, okay? In width part, not horizontal. What is chlorenchyma? What is chlorenchyma? What is chlorenchyma? What is chlorenchyma? আস্তে 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 storage of food, lateral meristem and fungus, and it is sometimes this tissue also contain chlorophyll. Yes, obviously the chlorophyll containing parenchyma, very simple, that is known as the chlorenchyma. Plant tissue which contains chlorophyll in some situation and perform photosynthesis. Yes. Which tissue is responsible for the flexibility in plants? Which tissue is responsible for the flexibility in plants? Yes, cholenchyma. Which tissue provides mechanical supports to a plant? Which tissue provides mechanical support to a plant? Sclerenchyma, but mainly cholenchyma. Sclerenchyma is just for protective and giving strength. Mechanical support, that's not help, that prevent the bending, breaking down of the any type of small stem when they you bending down them. This type of function, okay. Difference between the cholenchyma and sclerenchyma, any one. Give one difference between the cholenchyma and sclerenchyma. Maybe structurally, maybe functionally, anything else. Difference between cholenchyma and sclerenchyma. Firdausi, pollenchyma, what is pollenchyma? I never heard about this type of tissue. That is new form of pollenchyma. There is no tissue is present here that name is the pollenchyma. Either cholenchyma, sclerenchyma, eirenchyma, parenchyma, all these things. Cholenchyma cells have the primary walls with some areas of secondary thickenings. Obviously, cholenchyma provide extra mechanical and structural support, particularly in the regions of new growth. Very good. and sclerenchyma cells have thick lignified and secondary cell wall. It is obviously suberin, one is contain suberin, another one is contain lignin. Parenchyma that contains cellulose. What is epidermis? What is epidermis? Protective layer, it is the most single layer cells elongated without intercellular space. What is the functions of the epidermis? Tell me two functions of epidermis. Protective layer of the cell elongated plant. The epidermis serves several functions. It protects against the water loss, regulate gas exchange, secretes metabolic compounds and absorb water. Yes. What is stomata? What is the functions of stomata? Very easy question. What is stomata? What is the functions of stomata? Present on the epidermis of leaf. In some plants, stomata are present on the. Where is the other students? Only Raima is giving answer. Ridita, Sweet, all of this what happened? Stomata play an important role in gaseous exchange. Priha, Swastika. Stomata, the small pores leaves the plant. Stomata, yes. Which chemical makes the cork or bark impervious to gas and water? Which chemical makes the cork or bark of the tree impervious to gases and water? Which chemical present in the cork or bark that makes them impervious to gases and water? Okay, no problem, Shriya. Which chemical makes the bark or cork impervious to gases and water? Some chemical material present in the bark and cork, that is the dead parts of the tree, the upper layer of the body stem, but they are impervious to gases and water. Which chemical? Yes, suberin, right. Tell me the different parts of xylem tissue. And which one is only alive? Because the other parts of the xylem is dead. First tell me the different parts of xylem tissue and which parts of this tissue is alive, not dead cells. Cork, bark in the impervious to impervious to gases and water. That makes, you can say that which chemical present in cork or bark of the tree that makes them impervious to gases and water. Okay, Ridita, which chemical present in the cork or bark of the tree that makes them impervious to gases and water? You can see your pages 72 according to my book, the last line, just before the complex permanent tissue. Yes, xylem parenchyma, xylem fiber, trachea and vessels, and which one is not dead cell in this different parts? Which one is alive? No, xylem fibers, because the only phloem fibers, phloem cells are living. Fibers. Ridita, understand the question? Okay. Now move to animal tissue. 3 types of muscle fibers. Practice that diagram. Different types of epithelial tissue. Practice these diagrams. Okay. Where does you can found the simple squamous epithelium in your body? Where does you can found? Where do you can find the squamous epithelium in your body? Squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, stratified epithelium, and cardiac muscles, smooth muscles and unstraighted muscles. Okay, straighted muscles, straighted muscles, unstraighted muscles and cardiac muscles. Hello, hold on, chalo. Yes. Okay, this is up to for that today. Read your book thoroughly and prepare yourself for the examination. Okay, bye everyone.